The mountains have always called to me. Growing up in Vale, the Rocky Mountains were my playground. Skiing became my passion, my escape, and ultimately, my career. There's nothing like gliding down a freshly groomed run, the wind in your hair. Skiing is more than a sport. It's an experience that stays with you. It's about embracing challenges, learning from mistakes, and never giving up on your dreams. Why do we ski? For the adrenaline, the peace, and the camaraderie. Skiing gives me a sense of freedom and pure joy. It's a feeling of being truly alive, present in the moment. Skiing is for all ages and abilities, a great way to exercise and create lasting memories. So grab your gear and hit the slopes. When it comes to skiing, Colorado is hard to beat. With its towering peaks, legendary powder, and world-class resorts, it's a skier's paradise. Colorado offers stunning scenery, friendly people, and charming mountain towns. The Rocky Mountains' dry, light snow is perfect for skiing. Whether you're carving fresh tracks or cruising groomed runs, Colorado is a treat. Before you hit the slopes, having the right gear is crucial. Skis, boots, and poles are essential. Layering is key to staying warm and dry. A moisture-wicking base layer, insulating mid-layer, and waterproof outer layer are musts. Don't forget ski socks, gloves, a helmet, and goggles. Investing in your own gear can enhance comfort and performance. A good pair of skis opens up the mountain. Remember, the right gear makes all the difference. Choosing the right skis can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Consider your height, weight, and skiing style. Shorter skis are easier to control. Longer skis offer more speed and stability. All mountain skis are versatile. Wider skis are great for powder. Experts at your local ski shop can guide you to the right skis and bindings. If there's one piece of equipment you shouldn't skimp on, it's your ski boots. A comfortable, supportive fit is crucial for performance and enjoyment. Look for a snug but comfortable fit with minimal heel movement. Boots come in different flex ratings. Beginners should opt for a softer flex. Try on multiple pairs to find the perfect fit. Your boots are an investment in your comfort and performance. Ski poles are essential for balance, especially for beginners. They help maintain balance and rhythm and assist with propulsion. Hold your poles with relaxed hands, elbows bent at a comfortable angle. Use them to maintain balance and find your ski legs. Remember, balance is key to everything in skiing. Mastering the snowplow, your first steps to control. The snowplow is the foundation of skiing, giving you control over speed and direction. Form a V shape with your skis, knees slightly bent, weight balanced. Lean your weight to turn, making smooth, gradual movements. Practice on a gentle slope, increasing confidence and control. Stopping safely, a fundamental skill. The snowplow technique helps you stop by creating friction. For quicker stops, use a hockey stop by pivoting your skis perpendicular to the slope. Practice stopping in a safe, controlled environment. The ability to stop quickly and effectively is essential for any skier. Understanding trail markings. Your guide to the mountain. Green circles indicate the easiest trails, blue squares are intermediate, and black diamonds are the most difficult. These markings provide essential information about terrain and difficulty. Start slow and gradually work up to more challenging terrain. Trail markings are your roadmap to a safe and enjoyable day on the slopes. Skiing, like any sport, comes with its own set of rules and etiquette. These guidelines are not meant to stifle your fun, but to ensure the safety and enjoyment of everyone on the mountain. Remember, you're sharing the slopes with skiers and snowboarders of all ages, abilities, and experience levels. One of the most important rules is to always be aware of your surroundings and ski in control. This means skiing at a speed that allows you to stop or turn safely to avoid other skiers, snowboarders, and obstacles. It's also essential to look uphill before starting your run and to yield to skiers and snowboarders below you. Remember, they have the right of way. Another key aspect of slope etiquette is to respect the mountain and its natural environment. This includes staying on marked trails, avoiding closed areas, and refraining from littering. Remember, the mountains are a precious resource that we should all strive to protect. Finally, be mindful of other skiers and snowboarders, and always offer assistance if someone needs help. Skiing is a social sport, and a little kindness and camaraderie can go a long way in creating a positive and enjoyable experience for everyone. Before you hit the slopes, warm up your muscles to prepare for skiing. A proper warm-up can improve performance and prevent injuries. Start with light cardio like jogging or jumping jacks. Then, do dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings. Stretch your quads, hamstrings, and calves to prevent cramps. A few minutes of warming up can enhance your skiing experience. Now, let's explore beginner-friendly ski resorts in Colorado. Colorado is a skier's dream, with legendary powder and challenging terrain. But don't let that intimidate you if you're a beginner. Colorado has some of the best beginner-friendly ski resorts, offering gentle slopes and top-notch instruction. Look for resorts with dedicated beginner areas, often called bunny hills or learning zones. Many resorts even have magic carpets or beginner-specific lifts. Some resorts offer a laid-back vibe, perfect for families and those looking for a relaxing getaway. Breckenridge, a charming Victorian village with gentle slopes. Nestled in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, Breckenridge offers a quintessential Colorado ski experience. With its charming Victorian village, world-class skiing, and abundance of beginner-friendly terrain, Breckenridge is an excellent choice for those new to the sport. Beginners will feel right at home on Peak 9, which is dedicated entirely to learning. Here you'll find gentle slopes, patient instructors, and plenty of space to practice your snowplow turns without feeling crowded. The Ripparoos Forest is a particularly fun area for kids and beginners, with playful features and a dedicated learning zone. Once you've mastered the basics, you can gradually progress to Peak 8, which offers a mix of intermediate and advanced terrain. But don't feel pressured to rush into anything. Take your time, enjoy the process, and remember that every skier was once a beginner. Beyond the slopes, Breckenridge offers a vibrant après-ski scene, with cozy pubs, lively bars, and award-winning restaurants. Stroll down Main Street, browse the unique shops, and soak up the charming atmosphere of this historic mining town. Winter Park, a local's favorite with beginner-friendly terrain. Just a short drive from Denver, Winter Park is a local's favorite known for its laid-back vibe, affordable prices, and abundance of beginner-friendly terrain. With over 3,000 acres of skiable terrain, Winter Park has something for everyone, from first-timers to seasoned pros. Beginners will appreciate the dedicated learning area at the base of Winter Park Mountain, which features gentle slopes, magic carpets, and a variety of beginner-friendly trails. The Eskimo Express lift provides access to a network of green runs, perfect for practicing your turns and building confidence. For those looking for a more secluded learning experience, Mary Jane Territorial Basin offers stunning views and wide-open slopes perfect for honing your skills. The gentle terrain and lack of crowds make it an ideal spot for beginners to gain confidence and enjoy the beauty of the mountains. After a day on the slopes, head to the cozy village at the base of the mountain for a well-deserved après-ski treat. Warm up with a hot chocolate by the fire, grab a bite to eat at one of the local restaurants, or simply relax and enjoy the mountain views. Congratulations! You've mastered the basics of skiing. You're comfortable on the bunny slopes, confident in your snowplow turns, and can even navigate intermediate trails. Now you're ready to refine your technique and increase your speed. Tackle more challenging terrain. Remember that feeling of accomplishment? Push beyond those initial milestones. Continually challenge yourself, not by jumping into double black diamonds, but by setting small, achievable goals. Master parallel turns, conquer steeper slopes, or venture off-piste. Take a lesson from a certified instructor. They can analyze your technique and provide tips. Personalized drills help you reach the next level. Introduce new skills and terrain safely. Use online tutorials and videos. Plenty of resources are available. Try ski camps and clinics. Experiment and try new things. The more you ski, the more natural it becomes. Carving is the holy grail of skiing. the art of linking smooth, elegant turns using the edges of your skis. It's a technique that takes time and practice to master, but the rewards are well worth the effort. When you carve, you're not just skiing down the mountain, you're dancing with it. The foundation of carving lies in maintaining a balanced stance and using your edges effectively. As you initiate a turn, shift your weight onto the outside ski, engaging the edge and allowing it to bite into the snow. Keep your upper body facing downhill, maintaining a strong core and a relaxed, athletic posture. As you progress through the turn, gradually release the pressure on the inside ski, allowing it to follow the arc of the outside ski. Keep your knees bent and your weight centered over your skis, maintaining a smooth, fluid motion throughout the turn. Carving takes practice, patience, and a good understanding of how your skis interact with the snow. Start on a gentle, groomed slope and gradually increase the angle of your turns as you gain confidence. Focus on maintaining a balanced stance, engaging your edges, and keeping your movements smooth and controlled. As you progress in skiing, you'll encounter situations that push you outside your comfort zone. It might be a steeper slope, a mogul field, or skiing faster than ever before. It's natural to feel fear in these moments. The first step to conquering your fears is to acknowledge them. Identify the source of your fear and understand why it's there. Break down the challenge into smaller steps. Embrace the challenge, trust your instincts, and ask for help if needed. As we've explored together, skiing is more than just a sport. It's an experience that captivates the soul. From the moment you click into your bindings at the top of the mountain to the exhilaration of gliding down the slopes, skiing offers a unique blend of challenge, adventure, and pure joy. I've stood at the pinnacle of racing, yet the simple act of skiing still brings me a sense of peace and wonder. Remember that feeling of freedom as you linked your first turns, the wind whispering past your face as you embraced the rhythm of the mountain? That's the magic of skiing, a magic that transcends age, ability, and experience level. It's a magic that draws us back to the slopes year after year, seeking that connection with nature, that sense of liberation, that pure, unadulterated fun. Throughout this guide, we've covered the essential gear, the fundamental techniques, the importance of safety, and even explored some of Colorado's best beginner-friendly resorts. But the true essence of skiing lies beyond the technicalities. It resides in the heart of the experience. It's about embracing the challenge, pushing your limits, and discovering the joy of movement in the embrace of nature's grandeur. Skiing, like life, is a journey of continuous learning and growth. From those tentative first steps on the bunny slopes to confidently navigating challenging terrain, every run is an opportunity to refine your skills, expand your comfort zone, and deepen your connection with the sport. It's a journey paved with both triumphs and setbacks, with moments of pure exhilaration and moments of humbling frustration. Embrace the entire spectrum of the experience. Celebrate your victories, big and small, and learn from your mistakes. Remember, every fall, every near miss, every moment of doubt is an opportunity to learn, adapt, and come back stronger. It's through these challenges that we discover our resilience, our determination, and our unwavering passion for the sport. As you progress in your skiing journey, remember that there's always something new to learn, a new skill to master, a new challenge to conquer. Whether it's perfecting your carving technique, venturing into the backcountry, or simply enjoying a leisurely run with friends and family, skiing offers endless opportunities for exploration and discovery. So as you stand at the cusp of your skiing adventure, remember these words: embrace the thrill, respect the mountain, and never stop exploring. The world of skiing awaits, filled with breathtaking vistas, exhilarating descents, and a community of passionate individuals who share a love for the sport. Don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone, to challenge yourself, and to revel in the pure joy of gliding down the mountain. Remember, the mountain doesn't judge. It welcomes skiers of all abilities with open arms. It's a place where you can shed your worries, embrace the present moment, and reconnect with your inner child. So gather your gear, book that ski trip, and get ready to experience the magic of the mountains for yourself. I guarantee you won't regret it. And who knows, maybe one day our paths will cross on the slopes. Until then, Happy skiing!